Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Design. If you are new here, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on the latest trends and tips. Today we are diving into the world of bodycon dresses. Those super stylish and figure flattering outfits that everyone talking about right now. So let's check out some of the most beautiful and trending bodycon dresses for this season. First up, let's talk about colors. Bright and blurred is all the rage. Look at the stunning neon pink dress, and is not amazing. Neon colors are perfect for making a statement, turning heads wherever you go if you are looking. Next, we have the classic black bodycon dress. This timeless piece is a must have in every wardrobe. It's sleek, elegant, and super versatile. You can dress it up with some high heels for a night out or keep it casual with some sneakers. Comment below if you own a classic black dress and how you like to style it. Now, let's move to some amazing patterns. From polka dots to strips, patterns add a fun twist to your bodycon dresses. Check out this polka dot dresses. It's a playful and perfect for a day out. And strips, they are great for a chic and modern look. If you are enjoying these trends, do not forget like this video and share it with your friends, loving friends. And how about some sparkles? And bodycon dresses are glitter are back in a big way. If you are got a special event coming up, a sparkle bodycon dresses will make sure you shine all night long. Whether you choose gold, silver, a mix of both, you will definitely stand out. For those who love a bit of drama, sleeves and ruffles are trending right now. They add a fun and feminine touch to the bodycon. This dress with puff sleeve is a perfect example of how to blend classic style with modern fare. Do not forget bodycon dresses come in different lengths too. From mini to midi, you can find a style that suits any occasions. Mini bodycon dresses are great for summer parties, while midi dresses are perfect for a more polished look. So there you have it. These are some of the hottest bodycon dresses trends that are sure to make you look and feel fabulous. If you enjoy this video, please hit that subscribe button and make sure to share it with your friends so they can stay on the top of the latest trends too. Alright, let's start with a quick introduction of bodycon dresses. The term bodycon comes from bodycon conscious, meaning that dresses are designed to fit close to your body and show off your curves. They are perfect for making a statement, whether you are heading to a party, a date, or just want to look amazing. Bodycon dresses come in all sorts of style, from sleek and simple to glamorous and decorate. They are available in different fabric, colors, and patterns. Today we'll explore the hottest trends so you will know exactly what in style and how to wear it. If you are excited to see the latest trend, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who loves fashion. Let's talk colors. Bright and blood colors are making waves this season. Think neon green, electric blue, and fire reds. These colors are fantastic for making a blood statement and standing out in any crowd. Neon colors are perfect for summer parties or fun night out. They really pop and add a playful vibe to your outfit. If you love standing out, a neon bodycon dresses is definitely the way to go. On the flip side, if you are more into classic use, you can go warm with pastel, soft pink, baby blues, and navy blue color are super popular right. They give a more delicate and attractive looks. Which color do you prefer, neon or pastel? Let me know in the comments below. Next up, let's dive into patterns. Patterns can really spice up our bodycon dresses. One of the hottest trends right now is animal prints. If you are not into animal prints, do not worry, there are plenty of their fun patterns to choose from. Strips are always a great option. They can be blurred and graphic to subtle and chic. Polka dots are also making a big comeback. They are playful and perfect for a cute look. Let's talk about fabric. Bodycon dresses come in a variety of materials, each giving a different look and feel. First up, we have the classic cotton and jersey. These materials are comfortable and making them great for everyday wear. For something a bit more glam, try a dress with a material or fabrics. These are perfect for parties or any event where you want to sparkle and shine. Velvet is another fabric that's trending right now. It adds a luxury and rich texture to your dress. It's perfect for fall and winter and looks amazing in deeper, beautiful colors. So, what your favorite fabric? Let me know in the comments. Bodycon dresses come in various lengths, each temple for different occasions. Let's start with mini dresses. These are great for showing off your legs and are perfect for a night out, a summer day. Midi dresses, bodycon dresses, on the other hand, offer a bit more coverage while still being super stylish. They are versatile and can be dressed up or down depending on the occasions. Now that we have covered the different trends, let's talk about styling. Accessories can make a huge difference when it comes to bodycon dresses. Pairing your dress with a statement necklace or blood earrings can elevate your look. Shoes are also important. Heels can add a touch of glam, while sneakers can make the outfits more casual and comfortable. Do not forget to choose accessories and shoes that complement your dress. For a more casual look, you can add a denim jackets or a leather jackets to your bodycon dresses. It adds a bit of edge and keep your warm. It's chilly. What's your go-to accessories for dressing up a bodycon dresses? Share your favorite tips in the comments. Different seasons bring different trends. For spring and summer, flower patterns and light breezy fabric are perfect. Think of bright colors and fun prints that make you feel fresh and ready for sunshine. Please subscribe to my channel Fashion Design